Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to position image. So for example, I will insert image with using the image code. You can type img, press enter. And for the source, I will use this image. I will copy for the address and then type for the file cat.jpg. For the else, you can set the descriptions like I will set into cat. Save and preview in browser. So we have this image. First, I will set for the size. Okay, you can use the width and set like 200 pixels. Click file, save again, and you can refresh. The image will be changed for the size. Now for the positions, you can use the style code. Okay, you can click at these points again and tap style. So you can set for the position, and the next we use the relative. Okay, let's scroll to the right like this, and we can add like for the top position, you can set into 200 pixels. The next we set again for the left position. I will set 100 pixels. So you can save and refresh. The image position will be checked. I will set again like for the top here. I will set into 100 and you can save. Refresh again. The position will be set 100 from the top position. Okay, that's it for basic Visual Studio Code HTML. How to image position.